To fix your Windows 11 screen turned black, follow these steps. First, press Ctrl key, Alt key and Delete key in your keyboard together. From the opening screen, click Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, search for Windows Explorer. Type in the search box here, Explorer. Now you can find here the processor named Windows Explorer. Now, right-click on Windows Explorer. From these options, click Restart. Once you restart it, your desktop icons will be restored. If the screen is still black, close the Task Manager window. Then, once again press Ctrl key, Alt key and Delete key together. This time, click on the Power button in the bottom right corner. From these options, click Restart. After restarting, your problem will be solved. I hope this video will work with you. Please let us know your experience commenting below. Thank you for watching this video from TechBee. Thank you.